Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Gcash Google Pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then type in Gcash. And once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you are there, or on the Android, what you can do is simply long tap on the Gcash app and then tap on app info, and once you're there, all you gotta do is clear data. And once you do that, try again and problem should be fixed. And on iPhone, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and here all you gotta do is scroll down until you find Gcash. Let me just assume this Instagram is the Gcash app. Now tap on upload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.